Right.
Hi, I'm Shannon Morrow, and we're here with Robert Harris from ARX, and he's going to talk about a little bit about renewable energy.
Right. ARX is one of the products that I represent with my company Casa de Santiago. Casa de Santiago I developed to get into the energy efficient construction market. Right now I have a workforce of just under 90 people with licensed builders, electricians, mechanical contractors, carpenters, the full labor pool ready to hit this energy efficient market, which is following the Michigan Uniform Energy Codes. ARX is an insulated product for concrete poured wall systems, reducing energy costs 75% just with the wall systems. My second company is Grid Tie Development. Grid Tie Development I'm with Matrix Energy, which is a wholesaler of renewable energy products for wind, solar, and hydro. So I'm pretty deep into this renewable energy thing with both companies, and I'm looking forward to being part of how we can save trees and reduce the carbon footprint and change this whole idea about conventional construction and everything that goes along with it. So excited to be here at Henry Ford Community College. Glad to meet the Sierra Club, and thank you for this interview.
Thank you.